Oh, dang, my camera was all messed up. Good morning, family. Welcome in. Dang, trying to get some things situated here. Woo! Happy Tuesday. Who's excited? Still strong start to the week. Hey, good morning, working Danny, King and Queen. What's up, family? Everyone feeling that? You guys feeling it? Let's get paid today. Yesterday we were a little patient, still found the best sell of the day, never even got up towards our price. Gold, what are you doing? Straight up below the 4,000s now. Nothing but downside. Looks like it was a good exit for our man Max. Ruckus, what's the good, brother? Good morning, King. Nice sell off Nasdaq overnight. I was seeing that, Danny. Nice little downside move on the Nas. Nice, strong little downside move on the Nas. Let's take this real quick. Take this time to go look at the hourly chart. Here we go, family. Typically, what happens when we get a breakout? Typically, when we get this breakout, what do we usually do? We go retest highs. So we could see the 400, 25,400, maybe the whole number, something like that. Yo, Fruit, good morning, King. Welcome in. Yo, Tyler, what's good, brother? What's up, Baruch? It's been a while, man. Welcome in, King. Let's go, family. I got 3 combines past 150k's. Hell yeah, Farouk. Good trading, King. Way to be disciplined. Need 2K on 2 150s. Let's go, baby. That's today. Let's get it. Almost a gap fill. That's got to be where we're going, right, Danny? Beautiful spot there. It's got to be where we're going, down to those 581s possibly, and then we could even see the 400, which would be just the top of this high retest. So I like that. At least we have some downside options we could target. Nice sell-off overnight. Good morning, Mad Max. Good morning, Pobby. Welcome in, King. Let's go, family. Hey. Then MIX, I got another payout since I was in your chat. Got a 3K out payout. Blew the account a day later because I was hyped. But, hey, 3K out payout, a blessing. Absolutely, Baruch. Congratulations, King. Hell of a good trading, man. Hey, you made it across the milestone. Payouts are huge, man. Be proud of that. Let's do it again. Let's do it again, King. Morning, King. Amy, what's up, brother? Good morning. Welcome in. Welcome in. NASDAQ and gold both finding some selling right now. Gold in below those 4,000s. Great exit by our Maxi for that long. Let's go, Baruch. Good morning, fam. Miguel. Good morning, King. Welcome in. Welcome back. Excited to see you here this morning. Let's go. Let's get it, family. Gold just off of a cliff right now. Is this one the one we have to participate in? Let's take gold. Let's look at the hourly on the gold real quick. We did it for the Nas, but we got to look at gold now. What I would assume, guys, right, if we're looking at this chart and we're trying to find a level, I'm going to assume that we're forming a potential bear flag here. Right? Big sell-off, starting to hold this bottom, breaking up, not really failing to hold these levels. Feels like we're going to keep breaking down. Now we're just starting to break through here. Could be interesting. We could be targeting gold with this type of a movement right now. Let's get the breadsticks. Let's go. Garlic breadsticks and all, Pobby. Yeah, gold looks like we could find some selling for the rest of the day. Maybe targeting the 25s, maybe the 3,900 whole number. Something like that. This bear flags look like it's kind of playing out now. NASDAQ also kind of looks like we have some dipping. We could go see the overnight low or that big gap possibly. I'm not sure. I'm blessed to be back in the chat here to watch you bless up. Happy trading to everyone. Happy trading to everyone, King. What's up, May Braun? Welcome in, King. Another day, another dollar. Welcome, welcome. Good morning, Matrix. Let's go, baby. There he is. Let's go, King. Ouch on gold. I was in at the 82s. What a hold. In at the 82s. Ouchie for sure, Queen. But hey, nice spot. I'm sure you still locked in some profit. Can never be upset about making some monies. But I do think this could be the market that we're in play for the day. We could be in play for gold today if we keep finding this type of strength, the downside. NASDAQ still finding some selling as well, getting into these 650s on the bottom. This is the pre-market low that we got to overnight. 5 a.m. See what happens there. See what happens there. Abby, what's up, King? Good morning. Welcome in. Yo, Spitzy. Let's go, baby. Welcome back, King. Let's have some money, guys. Let's go. I'm short from the 745s, looking for the 570s. Really good trade, King. I think we could go close that gap, too. I think the 570s is definitely a possibility. We could even see the 400 hold number. Maybe not today, but I do think you're solid to go target that gap close, Spitz. Nice entry, King. I locked myself out today. I was streaming. I was stressing out all morning about trading. So I said not today. Hey, Pobby, that's how you do it, King. We know ourselves better. I'm not going to lie to you guys. I slept like 2 hours last night. So I am in a state myself, a little tired state myself. So I may be also taking that edge myself and just be patient today. Maybe not forcing anything. One type of a trade. We'll see what happens. But that's what we got to do. When we recognize that we're not at our best, like we're professionals, we have to be the only ones that can make that decision for us. If you have something going on intrapersonal, you didn't, sleep good, whatever's going on for you, you got to be the ones that make that call, right? Good morning, Saucy. Let's go, baby. Good morning, King. Bro, that's why I was replying quick. I was up all night. Yeah, it's Pobby. Me too, King. It's all good, though. We're back. We're here. We're ready. The baby killed my sleep last night, too. 4 nights in a row. P. Little man, is it still his fever sauce? Or is he just feeling a little picky at night right now? For sure, get the mind right. Absolutely, Danny. Absolutely, Queen. Lots of selling on gold here to start. Opening print candle on the New York session brought us straight down into the 40s. We're hanging out right now. NASDAQ's holding this pre-market low at the bottom. We'll see what happens. Market's only been open for 6 minutes. Let's be patient, family. Lots of opportunities, lots of chances. All we got to do is get the right opportunities to get paid. We don't get paid to be correct, just to be more than we lose. NASDAQ already down 1.6% on the day, so could find some more selling. Nice little overnight sell there. Gold is experiencing the same, actually, a 1.7% sell-off. And usually this thing tends to follow direction, so this is what we're targeting. Let's actually get a nice level here where we could find a nice entry on gold. It might have to be back up and around that level. We still fighting in your head. Yeah, I think I'm going to be looking maybe 60s feels high, though. 60s feels high for the gold here. I think I'll take one attempt at this EMA. Take a little bit of drawdown on it. We're looking to short gold, looking to take this continuation to the downside. Typically, when we get selling, we find some direction with gold or buying. Yo, Ty, got a slide. I seen your notification for the live. I had to stop by for a sec to see you trading. Got to go to work, but happy to see you grinding. Much love to everyone. Hey, Baruch, you too, King. Have a great day at work, man. Thanks for being here. Thanks for showing loves, and congrats on the payout, man. Huge, huge, huge. Picky, very dependent right now, and is teething hard. One of his top teeth popped through the skin, and the other one is closed. This is the worst stage of teething usually. Little P-Man's getting the biters, though. It's awesome. Little painful for sure, but hey, once you get them, you got them. I love it. I love it. News at 10. Yes, ma'am. Wait, do we? Wait, do we? What is it, Queen? I don't see it on the top step. To be honest, I'm not liking NQ drop. Seems shitty. Yeah, NQ does feel a little shitty. I agree with Spitz. I mean, I think if we look at the hourly chart, we're starting to get a... kind of feels like we want to hold, but I mean, we have the gap here that I think we're going to go close, King. I think he's got to be patient. I still think we go close this gap, and then from there, who knows, we could even go see the 400s. So it feels a little forced is what the word I would use, but I still think it's in play. I think you're good. Hold your short, King. I think you're doing well. Thanks, brother. W's. Yes, sir, Baruch. Have a good work, King. Jobs. Got you. Appreciate it, Spitz and Danny. We got news here in a couple minutes, 22 minutes. Jobs, and I don't think it's going to be positive. So our job reports lately have been just more and more poor reports coming out through it, mostly immigration, also AI affecting our jobs right now. Usually not the strongest lately. Yo, there's 22 people, family. Let's get 20 likes strong. Let's start the morning throwing down those likes. I appreciate you guys so much. TLR, good morning, sir. Welcome in, King. Jay, welcome in, brother. Happy to have y'all here. I had a question. What's going to happen to the CPI data if the government isn't open? Bobby, I'm not exactly sure. I know that they had been slow, but I do believe we're still going to get the number report probably. I don't know. I don't fully know the answer to that, King. It'll be interesting to see what happens. EMA is just aggressively curling here on gold. Usually that's a pretty safe indication to be able to catch some momentum. We're already down 1.7%. Gold doesn't usually range too much, so I think if we find a nice pullback, we could find some continued shorts. That's what we're going to be looking for here. That's what we're going to be targeting and looking for here. Nasdaq's kind of selling off, still holding this pre-market bottom. Not a lot's going on in the charts right now, family. It's a Tuesday. Market's only been open for 9 minutes. Take a breath. Be patient. Lots of opportunity. Lots and lots of opportunity, family. Market is very aggressive today. Even Forex, crypto also. Yeah, crypto's been wild lately. Nothing but selling. It's been pretty bloody over there, which is usually just a rotation of money, right? Through one of the 5. It's either going to be stocks, gold, bonds, crypto. Morning, gang. Good morning, Paul. Welcome in, King. Welcome in, welcome in. Happy to have you here, sir. Now, gold still just finding deeper selling. I was hoping to get a better pullback into the EMA, but right now it's just reaching for lower prices into the 39.38s. 3,900 whole number might be the target for the day. How do we get involved? That's what we got to figure out right now. That's what we got to figure out. Let's be patient. Lots of opportunity. Nasdaq's trying to hold this pre-market bottom. Trying to show a little double bottom. Might give us a push into the VWAP, which I could take an attempt at that as well. I'd be willing to short the VWAP on the Nasdaq if we get there. We'll see what happens. Lots of overnight selling, though, so we could be caught on the wrong side of it if the market wants to balance. Ah, yes, the good days when I would trade bonds until Topstep said, keep it up and you'll get the boot. Oh, is that the one that was having that 475 per tick you were talking about, Bobby? No, wait, what was that you were talking about that does that? 475 per tick is insane. Nasdaq finding some strength. I am going to take a little attempt here at the top of this range for a sell order. We'll see what happens. Going to be looking to short the VWAP if we get a pull back into it. Still looking for a fill on gold, but I don't need to, not trying to force anything. Like, why have it then? That's what I'm saying, Pablo. Why let us trade if you're going to kick us out for trading? I don't get it. Oh, so because I'm trying too much, you're not a fan of that? Like, so silly. I agree with you, sir. Yes, bonds, UBZB. 475 is wild. Yo, what's good? Congrats to all the giveaway winners yesterday. Saab, you're the man. Welcome in, King. Happy Tuesday, sir. Love having you here. WU, shouting out everybody that had the success yesterday. Exactly, Ty. Like, makes no sense. None at all, King. But hey, we're adaptable. We're professionals. We're going to have other opportunities. I'm going to get this account reinstated with Topstep. I'm going to trade it slowly. One account. Plus, we still have these accounts right now, so see what happens. And then even if we have to, I'm going to trade the one that they need me to. But I'm going to move on to other props as well. So we'll see what happens. Looking to get a fill here on the NASDAQ at the 86s. Just above the VWAP. Gold's finding a nice pump back into the EMA. I kind of want to find an attempt here, but feels really dangerous. At the same time, usually you're pretty safe to try it. So I'm going to try one here. I'm going to try one on gold. Just got tapped into it there. Stops are going to be up and around this price. And we're going to see if we can hold some shorts on this position. Want to see gold respecting this EMA. Want to see some aggressive selling. Really want to target this 3,900 whole number. Ideally here. Nice little respect already off the EMA. Let's see it close strong here. You guys know the rules. Big blacks, no wicks. Nice little entry. If we can get that to close back in around below the 40s, I'm going to put a break even on our gold position. So far, waiting for our NASDAQ fill potentially. See what happens. See what type of trouble we can get into, family. I like the 795-ish short. 795 sauce. Okay. I'm up a little bit below you. I'm at the 86s, so I like it. We have the same idea. I see some buyers stepping in the NASDAQ. Right now, me too, Amin. Holding this opening print candle. They're starting to push up to the upside. We're getting ready for our 15 minutes. Let's get our box drawn. Let's get that box drawn. Gold's respecting the EMA. Still being a little weird, but I like that. Typically, it will respect it. Bum, 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 bum. Typically, she somewhat behaves. We'll see if she can behave for us today. I got to find some more respect at this EMA, and if we do, we should find some selling from there. Here's our first 15-minute range. Nasdaq's trying to push up to the upside through it right now. See if we can get a fill at the top of the range and the VWAP. 790s is where I'm a short. Let's go. I like it, Sauce. Man, I got lucky with the giveaway. I would have ride if I didn't win too. Laugh my ass off. After like 13 attempts, Bobby. But you deserved it, King. Day off for me today. Got a payout yesterday. Booked a round of golf for me. And then, boy, this is why we trade, to reap the rewards, to have freedom. Let's fucking go. W sob. Absolutely, King. The reason we're here is to get ourselves the life that we need for us and our loved ones. More than deserved, King. Go enjoy that round. Hit a couple birds for me, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Gold starting to respect the CMA a little bit. Almost going to put our break even on if we get one more closure, but that was a pretty big reaction here, actually. Pretty big reaction to the buy candle here, unfortunately. It was going to put our break even on, so now we got to wait again. Got to wait a little bit here again. Just got unlucky there at this bottom of these 40s. Gold looking like it might want to find a little hold. Got to see this EMA still act as our defense. If it keeps locking up, we should be pretty safe to find some selling. Trying our short here at the 86s on NASDAQ. We can get tapped in there as well. Really want to see the buyers give up the EMA on gold. We'll see what happens. What's up, Deontay? Welcome in, King. Welcome in, sir. Happy to have you here. Gold looking a little aggressive at these 40s. Not super excited to see that. We got the reaction off the EMA, but then the buyers are actually holding right now. So we might take some drawdown, it looks like. A little unfortunate there. We're up 8 points. Starting to turn around now. Let's see what happens. Let's not panic. See what happens. Take a breath. Let the market do what it's going to do. You know what I'm saying? You can still find some respect to this EMA any moment. If we are holding the EMA, though, I probably am going to close it. Just to be safe here. Was looking to see a respect. We got the respect. I was going to put break even on, and then it came right up to our break even. So now we wait. We'll see if we can get the respect of the EMA still. Want to find some selling here. Targeting potentially that 3,900 hold number. Gold is down 1 point, what is this, 6%? Yeah, 1.7%, and it usually follows. NASDAQ respecting the VWAP, it looks like. Just missing our fill there. Just missing a fill on the NASDAQ, it looks like, possibly. Bro, crazy. You're up 1.7K so fast. Next is 2K. Woo! Let's go, baby. Let's go, Poppy. We are trying, King. Gold holding this EMA now. Really not ideal for us. Could easily get some aggression out of here. Going to be the last big attempt from these sellers. If they can't hold this EMA, I'm going to close our gold position. Was hoping to see the reaction. We started getting one. I didn't put the break even on because I wanted to have a little bit safer. And now it's going to give us a chance, maybe. If we can get a closure below the EMA and then a push back towards those 40s on gold, I'm going to put our break even on. NASDAQ respecting the VWAP so far. Just missing our fill up there. We'll see what happens. Just missing our fill at the 86s there. Looks like it just wanted to touch into the VWAP. Still finding some selling. Honestly, I don't love this reaction now. If we do get back up and around there, I don't think I really want to get a fill anymore. Gonna be patient. Gold finally respecting the EMA again. We'll see what happens there. We'll see what happens there. Got to continue finding suppression below the EMA. From there, we could target the 3,900 whole number. We'll see what happens. NASDAQ finding some aggression at the top of the 15. I don't like this close as much anymore, to be honest with you guys. So I am going to take this order off. Starting to hold a little potential double bottom. Touching into the VWAP. Finding some support halfway through the range. See what happens here. Might be another attempt at the VWAP you could find. Yo, there are 40 amazing people watching. If you guys have not yet, subscribe. And if you haven't hit the like button, please do. We're trying to get to 30 today. Would be insane. Gold holding the EMA. NASDAQ pushing back up to the VWAP. Could give us that 85 fill we were looking for the NAS, but I just don't like it as much after finding the rejection back at those 40s, or where we find the strength. Yeah, the 40s. Gold also being stubborn here. A little bit unfortunate to see this. I will say, though, typically when gold behaves, it will continue to print. We just got to be patient and trust it. If we can just get a little bit more suppression below the EMA, it should print pretty cleanly for us. We can put a break even on soon. We're not out of the woods, but we're not in danger. So take a breath, see what happens. If we take a loss, we take a loss. Want to see some reaction at this EMA still, though. I want to see the sellers just keeping price suppressed at the 46s. Come on, baby. Show me the monies. NASDAQ pushing up into the VWAP. I still don't mind it for an opportunity, but I don't love it as much. I have a bad feeling that we could just be a little bit of a bad fill on our short for gold, but I'm hoping not to. I'm hoping to see this EMA be our reaction point. I'm hoping to see this EMA be the reaction point. It's looking like no, though. Might come get a big old stop out here. Now we got to find a new spot to re-enter if we do get stopped out, because I like this downside. I really do. I just think we might have found a bad price at the EMA there. Huh, gold? You're going to come be naughty and come stop us out, huh? Before actually going to where I want you to go. We'll see. Let's be patient. Probably going to get stopped out. I'm going to find another chance to get in this, though. We will see. We will see. NASDAQ getting up into the 86s now. We would have just got our fill there. Like I said, I didn't like it. That's why I took the order off. Order filled. Just got tapped out for our gold short there. Little unfortunate. Into the 94s now on NASDAQ. I don't really love the double bottom that it held there. It's the only reason I got out of that. Where's gold going? Because I'm going to tell you something. I really think we have a lot of downside. I think we have a lot of downside on gold. I just don't know when or where. NQ holds 75 equals more buyers. So Amin's saying if the, people in the NASDAQ continue to hold the top of the 15-minute range, we're going to bring in some more buyers to the upside here. And we have overnight prices that we could be hunting. So not a bad analysis. 820s pop here, finding some more direction in the NASDAQ. I think this could also be a nice long opportunity. Which I'd rather long gold, long NASDAQ and short gold. It's kind of what I'm hoping to see. NASDAQ pushing down to the pre-market low here. Finding some support. Pushing back up to the VWAP. Rejecting off the VWAP. Back into the 15 minutes. Finding some support again. Now the EMA is starting to curl outside of the VWAP. I'll take an attempt at NASDAQ for a long side now. Back around the 85s if we get a chance there. If we get a chance back around there, wouldn't mind it. That's a quick $600 loss. Yeah, Saucy. We found a lot of volume through there, unfortunately, King. But, you know the game, Bubba. Not paid to be right every time, just to make more than we lose. Looking to get on the other side of this now. Looking for a NASDAQ long, possibly. If we can get a pullback into the VWAP at the 785s. I'm going to get a YOLO account so I can take my main account slow. I'm up 728 so far. Not much, but it's honest work. Absolutely. Honest work, King. Lock that in. I like what you're seeing. Don't need to be too aggressive. Don't need to be too impatient. Take a little practice account or something. I like that. Or get a YOLO account. NASDAQ now down only 1% on the day. Still looking for a potential long there. Still wanting to find a short on gold. I just don't know when and where. Maybe the 60s. Maybe this trend line touch. Yeah, I'm going to put an order in here. I'm going to put an order in around the 60s right now. 60.2 is where we're going to have another gold short opportunity. And I'm still looking to long the pullback at the VWAP on NASDAQ. Oh, Pablo just reminded me I still have a Topstep 40% off combine to activate. Let's go. That's for you. Might as well do the 150, King. You know what I mean? Makes it like 86 bucks. You spend like $30 more. than a 50K, but you get 3x the leverage. Could be option Saab. Absolutely W Pablo. Let's go Matrix. Way to show love. Let's go. Pablo forgot about it too. Go get that free monies, boys. Free discounts. I'm thinking of getting an MFF account. Me too, Pablo. Especially, we're going to see what happens as we, whatever happens with these accounts. If we do end up changing prop firms soon, we're going to have some fun. Exploring new things, finding new people to play with, new props. We'll see what happens. NASDAQ, aggressive buying through the top of the 15-minute range, pushing up into the 850s. Still wanting to see a pullback to the VWAP to get to take a long attempt. Long NAS from the 800s. Great entry, Danny. Wow. Really good entry, Queen. Really good entry. Break even and watch. I would. I'm looking to get an entry back at the 85, so we'll see what happens. Looks like we might get a touch in on our gold short as well. Could be a V recovery, but we're going to take a chance. Fuck Topstep, honestly, after what happened with Ty. Hey, man, they're just trying to protect themselves too, Pobby. They're afraid, King. They know we're coming for their dollars, and they're afraid. Feeling FOMO. Happens, King. You got it. Should have held my long from the 741s. Matrix. Yeah, that was a fucking... That was an entry, King, but no worries. Lots of opportunity. Market's really moving today. It's already been up 120 points. There's a lot of range in the markets right now, so let's be patient. Find an opportunity. Pulling back into this trend line. I guess that would have been the better entry on gold. We got a little front running there at this candle. Let's see if we can find some sellers now. We are trying to reverse on gold, which isn't typically the easiest thing to do. So if we take a loss, it's going to be on us for trying to fight the trend. I want to get this overall direction, though. Show me some selling at this trend, gold. Let's go, baby. Get back down there now. Want to see this trend line that we broke out of to the downside. Now we're trying to retest the bottom, find some seller support again, and get some more weight to the downside. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. Lots of range, though. NASDAQ range today from the low of the 15-minute candle to 664s. We're up 200 points from there, so lots of chances to make money, family. News in 4. Yes, sir, May. We got news here in a couple minutes, but I'm hoping to see it to be a little negative. Feeling FOMO. Market is very direct these days, like very less pullbacks. Yeah, I would mostly agree with you. It's one directional trading for the most part. I mean, if you look overnight, all you had to do on the NAS was find some selling, and now we're starting to just balance out a little bit and find some upside. A little bit nervous about where we're seeking our stop on gold, but I also like it. See if we can find some respect at this trend line, and maybe, just maybe, we have some negative news come out for the jobs and push us back in there. The reaction at the EMA is going to be pretty telltale as well. Let's see if we can find some selling here. I'm out. Up 400. Let's go, Danny. Good trading, Queen. Nice long at the 800, the break of the VWAP there. Really nice focus. Just 3 cons or 4. It feels more peaceful trading MNQ. I have found peace. Just 3 or 4 cons. Hey, I love that, Pobby. That's what we got to do. We got to find comfort in these chaotic situations. The market is fucking mayhem. You find some comfort in there? Whew. Don't let me get comfortable, Nazi. Don't let me get comfortable. 2 minutes ago, I just passed my first 50K. No shit, KVC. Let's go, baby. Congratulations, King. You're funded now. Let's keep that momentum. I'm proud of you. It's not easy to do. Let's go, baby. I love hearing it. Gold starting to respect this trend line ever so slightly. Let's see if we can get a pullback now into the EMA. See if we can get a little bit more of selling into the EMA. NASDAQ, or gold's down 1.3%, so we're overall in the right direction. NASDAQ's only down 1%. Absolutely. Way to show love, everybody. Congrats, KV. Back in towards this previous high. This is where we got to have pretty much, we got to get the love here. We got to get the love or we're going to be wrong. Love that y'all are showing support to KV. It's more than deserved. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, gold's going to do me dirty again, isn't it? Feel like we're about to get stopped on gold again, family. Oh, yeah. Oh, most certainly we're going to be cooked. Oh, yeah. Bummer. It's a bummer. I cried when I passed mine, LOL. I said to myself, wow, it's possible taking it slow, King. I wish I did. It's very possible. Very possible. Every day we have the chance to change our lives, family. I have a bad feeling about our stop here. I'm going to go a little bit higher. I have a bad feeling about it. There would have been our stop. Man, we probably just gave an extra $200 for no reason. Sure did. Fucking fuck. What news are we talking about? It is jobs, Matrix. I don't see it on the dashboard here either, but it is jobs. Oh, gold. What the fuck are you doing? Why are we just V recovering out of if you're down 1% today? God. I might just be done today, guys. Like I said, I'm overtired and I'm already feeling myself getting annoyed, so might just have to step aside and let the market for the day. Trying to see the easy rotations and we're not getting them. The stock market is rallying on the news that Dick Cheney died. Jeez. I hope not, Bobby. They're bullish. Oh, what do you know? Perfectly starting to respect where we got top ticked. Jesus Christ, man. Take it easy, King. I appreciate you. Just annoying. Right away, I got ticked out of this. But that's just the game. But the fact that I'm annoyed is not the part that I don't like. Exit is at 69. And what do you know? Just to fucking touch us out. Like, oh my God. NASDAQ just printing right now. Up 160 points from opening print candle. 210 points from the bottom. All good, man. Can always come back another day. Yes, sir, Kev. And I might have to. Like, look how frustrating this is. We just got ticked out at 69.5 on this fucking short. God. So annoying. That better break it. See what I mean? You see what I mean? It's not even the charts. This is actually a really cool moment because I can feel the difference. These are normal. This is a normal price action, right? Normal candlesticks. Everything's normal. Some days you get price to push through all this shit. Yet I'm so annoyed about it and triggered because I'm overtired, right? So my emotional control today is limited. And so we have to take that as I can. Like, how fucking annoying is it to get top ticked? Oh, my word. Oh, my fucking word. Feels pretty shitty, actually. That's so unlucky. That's crazy. Yeah, mate. That one feels a little bit bad right there. That one actually feels a little bit bad. Not only would we have not lost that however much money there, would we just lose $900 that we wouldn't have lost? Could we be back up on that position? Oh. Deep breaths, family. Good morning, family. Welcome in, Bruce. Good morning, King. Happy you're here, bro. Yeah, take it slow, Ty. I did the same. I'm very sleepy, so I locked out. It's really good. Really safe. Look at the... We really got top ticked. Oh, I knew I would be doing dumb shit, so I said nope. That's really good discipline, Bobby. I might have to follow you, King. Batman in the house. Let's go, Danny. We got Bruce. We got Batman. My name Batman. Oh, I'm so triggered about this fucking position, and I need to just shake it off, but I'm annoyed. Why did we just get top ticked? This better just soar up to the VWAP so I don't feel like I just got top ticked right now. Pat, good morning, King. Welcome in, buddy. Happy to have you here this morning. Oh my God. Literally fucking top ticked, guys. We'd be up 1,600. We'd be break even on the account right now. Unreal. God, that's frustrating. But whatever. Gotta let it go. Late, but here, let's get it. No worries, King. That gold dumping. Yeah, work, and I missed a fucking fill on it, King. Or I got top ticked. El Señor de la Noche. Batman. Brush it off, big bro. I appreciate you, Pat. I got to. It's just fucking frustrating. It really is. I'm taking one more attempt at it. Taking one more attempt at this dummy. Taking one more attempt at this position that we should already be in this short. Oh my word. Yeah, oh well. Gotta teach Thai Spanish so he can get the Latina since he looks Mexican. Do I look Mexican, Pavi? Do I got a little touch of the Mexican? It's just because I'm brown, sir. Oh my word. How upsetting. I'm trying it again. I cannot believe we were just top ticked on that one. And now we're going to put our thing back at this high, hoping to see the sellers defend this EMA. They got below it. They shouldn't give it back up. But they very much could. Let's see what happens here. Gosh, cannot. I'm triggered. That is the problem. I sometimes look back at the day and the trades I took and wonder what the heck I was thinking with the stupid entries, LOL. All the time, Danny. I do it all the time. Let me tell you something, guys. One of my favorite little hacks that I want to recommend to you guys. Oh, yeah. Please find the fucking buying now. God. One of the hacks I want to share with you guys, though, it's truly made a big difference in my trading, is recording. So this live stream, I get to go back and watch that, and I get to see yourself firsthand, the way you're even consider, the way I talk about trades, what I'm thinking about, see the fear play out before and now that I know the way the chart goes at the end of the day, I get to hyper see that. A lot of just analyzing yourself. So I'd recommend that if y'all can record yourself streaming or trading, record yourself taking entries and why you got in, and you can feel yourself and see yourself make weird decisions. And I think it's one of the best ways to learn and get better. Oh, gold, you're going to make me so annoyed. What the fuck? You literally just top tick us. Perfectly top tick us. I should be all in profit right now. Ugh. I got to let it go, and I can't. This is sleep deprivation. Literally, my emotional control is just limited because I'm tired. It's insane. Normally, I would have shooken this off a long time ago, but I'm tight right now. Yeah, she looking Dominicano mixed with something else. It's pretty close work. I'm Ghanaian, West African, and American. It happens, bro. Kick those emotions and wait for a good entry. Let's go, Pat. WU. Let's go. Come on. Let's get a push on this EMA on gold and get back down there where you should be the whole time. Where I should be in with it. I'm brown too, but I'm like a darker brown. I look like I came off the banana boat. I love it, Pods. I love it. I actually love it, King. All right, gold. Come on, show me some love here. I need a little bit of love here, gold. Get through this EMA. Just get through that bottom. Show me some selling. Corey, welcome in, King. Happy to have you here this morning, brother. Happy to have you here this morning, brother. If I get stopped out on this position, I don't even know. I might have to just walk it. Good morning, Maxie. Welcome in, King. Yo, great exit on your gold, your long position, King. I also just got top tick for a $900 loss on this pullback here. So, yeah. That's gold for me right now, Maxie. I know, Corey mad as fuck not being here yesterday. You won, King. Yeah, Corey, you did, bro. On our giveaway. Your name was drawn, King, for a count, and you weren't here, so I had to respin it. Sorry, but hey, I appreciate you for fucking all the love. Yeah, I missed out. Sorry about it, King. But the people got it. People deserving, so. And you were deserving too. Sorry that it had to be that way. That ES short from yesterday to 6,800 worked out great, LOL. Love hearing it. Love hearing it, Maxi. Nice little entry there. Looks like I'm going to get fucked on this gold position as well if we don't break below this EMA. We got to find some support at this trend line and start getting some selling to carry through here. You can send me one today. I won't be sad. I wouldn't doubt it, King. Next giveaway, you're going to win again. I feel it. Yo, there's 40 people watching. If y'all have not yet, hit that like button. Let's get some love in here. Trying to get to 30. See what we can do. If you're not subscribed, you should be. Join this family. Some weird moves. Some very weird moves, bro. I take this short, right? Had to stop out at literally the 69. What was my exit? 69.3 for $1,000 loss, max, right? 69.3. Check this shit out. Top of this candle is 69.5, man. Disrespectful. Disrespectful. Long one from the 45s. All right, Saucy. Hope it plays out, King. I'd be personally a little bit more patient, but I hope it plays out. We'll see what happens. I kind of want to see the 800s first. We'll see, though. Short NQ from the 863. Matrix shorting from the 60s. Getting a fill there. NASDAQ printing to the downside off of this EMA. 800 whole number could bring in some response. $800 could bring in some response. There we go, baby. Back up in there now. Back into the 45s immediately, Saucy. Gold is weird right now. Get some sleep, Tide. Tomorrow's a new day. It is. It is, King. I might have to. I'm going to finish the stream and see what we can do here. But, yeah, I'm definitely just feeling fatigue. Hope it dumps for you, bro. Me too, Maxi. But, honestly, right now, I'm just probably... I'm on like 2 hours of sleep, so I'm like not my strongest right now, and I'm triggered after getting top ticked on that. So now I got in again, trying to see if we can get the rotation, but could easily go up another $500 to gold here. So NASDAQ still respecting the EMA, pushing back down into the 800s. I wouldn't mind seeing the 800 possibly be able to play. $863 execution is crazy, great trade. Yeah, that is Matrix. Really good entry. Nice speed, nice trust. I'm short on NQ with the 850s. All right, Deontay, I like that. Your EMA is your respect. As long as we keep respecting the EMA, you should be good. You can put your break even on and ride that. Good luck to you, sir. I'm going to go sleep after the stream. I need it. Me too, Bobby. Me too, King. I got to go work, though, sadly. Maybe just close the trade while it's in profit if you don't feel it. Yeah. How about I just let one more candle play down into the 50s, and then I'll put break even on and just put this puppy to sleep. Just let it break even ride. But I hear you, Maxi. I'm not going to try to force nothing here. I'm not feeling like my 10 out of 10 self. You know what I'm saying? Took a partial, now break even, holding and targeting the 800. Let's go, Matrix. Nice break even, nice trade management. What happened? You stay up all partying last night? Similar, Sob. Similar. I didn't sleep either, Ty. Try not to force any trades after this one. Let's go, Pat. Let's go, Pat. I won't, King. I'm going to let this play out. I'm going to let one more candle break down into the 50s. I'm going to put a break even on. This is probably going to be my last trade of the day. We'll see what happens. That's seriously real, dude. Like, when I improve my sleeps, I get some improvement in my trading psychology, too. Absolutely, Bobby. And it's just not even, Abby, it's not even just trading psychology. It's just like everything psychology, right? So like zoomed out, my emotional control definitely did not reset last night. Didn't get good enough sleep to reset my emotional fucking stability. So when I got ticked out of that trade just now at the top tick of this gold, normally you guys see I could hit that. That happens to me. I'm like, oh shit, all right, we just got stopped out. Today, annoyed. My body couldn't process it, and I was just frustrated. And that is truly the difference. And that applies to life in most places. Focus on sleep, family. Healthy traders are profitable traders. Blew my 150 XFA yesterday, but I do have a freshly passed 50K account. But I will use back to fund it if I like a bigger drawdown. Hey, the 150 is worth putting the back to funded possibly on, Kevin. But hey, no worries, King. It happens. Good trading, good tries. You know the game. We don't get paid to be correct, just to make more than we lose. Step back up to that plate and hit it again, King. Just finished with them buys on Dow after that shitty price action. Let's go, Work. How'd you do, King? How'd you make out? This week is so bad, though, bro. I feel you. It really is, Work. It's been a weird week. Bro, about to be swinging on the customers. He gonna be groggy. No, luckily I just gotta deal. I don't gotta work with people today. Just plants, and they don't talk back too much. So we did get a pullback into our price and at the EMA here. So if we get a continued selling, that's gonna be enough for a break even on our gold position finally. If we can get back below that bottom, if we get back in below these 52s, I can put our break even on officially with gold. So we'll see what happens there. NASDAQ still holding up at these 50s right now. I love it, Sauce. You got a nice play back at your 40s. What are you targeting on this one, King? Saucy, what are you looking for? Top of the range. Let's see some big sells. Big blacks, no wicks on gold right here. Let's get down there. Let's see some big blacks, no wicks on gold real fast. Get down there. All the old heads today are going to be asking about gummies. You're going to start throwing hands. Oh, some RSO gummies. Yikes. Hope you don't get stuck in the infamous gold shop. Is that what you feel like right now? It could be, Maxi. My only thing that's giving me conviction is that we're down 1.4% on gold for the day. Overall direction's down. Typically, she respects it. I got fucked on this top tick up here. Also, we'd be in nice profit. So now we just got to be patient. I want to put a break even on this, but can't. Just can't. Got to let it play out a little bit more here. A break below the 52s, and I will and can. Break below the 52s, I will and I can. We will see, though. Ty, you smoke or nah, LOL? Every day, bubby. Every day, Pobby. If they tell you you can't be a successful stoner, they are lying to you. If they tell you that, it's because they can't do it themselves. Oh, gold. Don't do me like this. You might be right, Max. Might be in Chop City over here, King. When I'm exhausted, I just roast a fat sativa finger. Get that pickup, Sobs? Just get that pickup. That's what I need. I just need a little sativa finger in me. It's a little king finger to go puff on and feel great. I'll feel better. And then in like 45 minutes after that, I'll be so tired. I'll be ready to take a nap. Right after that, I'll be ready to go. I smoke crack every day too. Ben Vasquez. What's up, P? Welcome in, King. It's been a while. Happy to have you here. Rosin gang. Let's go, Jay. A little fresh rosin press. Nothing wrong with that. I have a break even on. Not sure the target. Break even on the 45s. Let's see, Sauce. Sadly, I think we could get a pullback, but if we don't, I like to find maybe into, I don't know, maybe the 600 whole number, 26,000 whole number, if we could get all the way up there. I don't know, Sauce. Truthfully, I don't know, buddy. I would just keep riding it, though, if you have your break even on. I mean, fuck. She's stress-free. TP is 53, not huge on it. 53s. I was going to say 60, so, I mean, I was going to say 77, which is why I was like, well, might as well just go up to the next whole number. But I don't know, King. I think overall direction's up. I just think we got to find a maybe pullback here. Feels like I'm getting stuck in this gold chop like Maxi was saying. Feels a little shitty here. Come on. Give me some direction, gold. Come on. Do it. Do the thing. Yo, May, hit an egg blinker. Come on, show me. Wait, did he say he smokes crack? Yeah, he's joking. P is a jokester, Bobby. I got you, Work. Let's go. Looks like going to chop for a bit. You talking about gold matrix? Because I kind of agree, King. Or you talking about NQ? Break even got hit anyway. Tough, Saucy. But hey, it's better than losing, King. Let's go. We're still in here. Yeah, both. I agree. Starting to get a little bit of a move on gold. Come on, get down in below there. I put a break even. I'll let you ride. Come on. Yo, I do not know how many likes we have, family, but there's 38 beautiful people watching. If you have not yet, do your part. Put that thumbs up. Let's get this thing popping. I appreciate you guys. It's the easy way to show some love. Gold finally giving us a slight reaction. I don't want to pre-celebrate. No, I do not. But if we can get in below those 52s, I can put a break even on. See what happens. When do our Hawaii trip? We'll have to try some of their tree. Oh, I can't wait for that. Let's pop on some Maui buds. Some Maui Mary. Come on. A little bit of Maui marijuana while we're hitting. Yeah, the Maui Wowie. Let's go at Maui Wowie while we're sitting on the golf course. Straight crushing 7 irons. Come on. Here we go. Damn, Sauce. You got unlucky on your break even there, King. Pushing back up to the high now at the 870s. See what happens here, family. Hey, leave without me, Nazi. Yeah, she is right now, King. 22 likes. People drops the likes. Yo, let's go, family. Put those thumbs up. Let's go, let's go, let's get it. Let's go, let's go, let's get it. Hey, Ty, make your own strain, twin. It's a lot of work. It's a lot of work. You gotta go through the whole genetics processing and breeding, bringing them into, you gotta raise them and then like actually select your phenotypes and then bring that to production. It's a lot of effort, but worth it maybe. Hey, Ty, are you only running on 2 hours of sleep if you don't mind me asking? Yeah, TLR. I am on 2 hours of sleep, King. Can you tell? Do I seem like a zombie? Is my energy low today? Sorry about it if it is, but I'm here. I'm trying. We'll see what happens. Officially can put our break even on now, guys. We're getting a breakdown in below these 50s. Gold is now just going to be riding, seeing what can happen there. No longer risking anything there. I'm still targeting this 3,900 whole number. We'll see what happens with that. We'll see. We'll see. We're break even, risk off. Great trade management, Saucy. I agree. I agree. I'd buy some. Hey, I got you, May. I got main work. I'm going to go in. I'm going to get that done for you. And Jay and Saab. What would you call it? Liquidity sweep? Oh, I don't know. It'd be fun. We could come up with some awesome names. He'd be texting them girls, LOL, sleeping on the phone. Let me get half of that liquidity sweep, yo. Yo, you got a zip of the liquidity? I need a straight zip of that liquidity sweep, please. That shit had me bouncing last night. Gold being horrible to us. Absolutely dick buying off of the 50s there. Pushing right back up into our break even possibly. Our big defense is going to be the EMA. If we can't hold that, we're probably going to get stopped out. If we can, we might have a chance. Got to see some sellers really defending this price now. Come on. Don't let them walk all over you like that. When you drop in the course, Julian's never, sir. We're here for free, sharing it every day. The community as well. Y'all can hop in here and get the insight. If I was going to create a course, it's not going to be about trading. If I create anything, it's going to be like a, I don't know, like a 6 month to 90 day, like transformation, like a psychology transformation of like things that you can work on consistently to actually get better. Like, I don't think trading is so much about technical analysis as much as I believe it's about psychology, mindset control, all the other things, emotional awareness. And I think I'd create some type of a little thing about how what I do to sharpen those tools, and maybe I'll share it with you guys. I don't know. All right, straight back up, gold. Ugh, I know, Danny. Just bullying me like I don't deserve it or something. I don't know. Julian, don't give him ideas. Don't make him turn into Patrick. I would never. Gold price action is ass. I agree, Max. We're getting cooked by it, too. Getting fucking cooked by it. Can you just deliver, please? I mean, come on. You know if you make it, we gonna have to support, twin. Yeah, I'll send you zips for free work. Oh, my God. We're gonna get break even on this, isn't we? Yeah, price action on gold is fucking atrocious. Oh, it's annoying. It's triggering me. Ooh. I mean, come on. Gym course. I'll pay that TGR course type money. TGR. That man doing the thing. Fucking gold. What are you doing? Gross. Just gross. You are absolutely right, bruh. I think you're right. Lauren. Wow, welcome in, queen. First time seeing your name, chatter. We have a new queen in here. Let's go. Welcome in. Happy to have you here. I'm in the gold cell too, but I don't like this sheet. Yeah, Keith, I got cooked, bud. I already got fucking bullied on it. I got top ticked at the 69 point whatever this got to. I got top ticked on it. So then I had to revenge, try to find another short. We got another entry, but now it's just fucking disrespecting us. So I don't know, King. Be careful. Be careful, Keith. Kind of looks like a bull flag. I agree. If you zoom out, it does, Danny. But also if you zoom out more as well. Like this looks like a bull flag, right? But this is the bear flag as well. So that's the thing about trading. Depends on what your range. I just make content on your strategy. If you do anything, I don't like how people change thousands for charge for thousands for the courses. Oh yeah, no, I would never charge that, like nothing crazy. But I hear you. I just want to yeah, more strategy videos for sure, Pat. Maybe compare it with Max Strategy. That would be good content. W advice, Pat. I love it, King. Yay, me too. Thanks for having me. Of course, Lauren. Welcome in, Queen. I love it. Maybe a small push to the 4180s. Max, we're going up, Bev. Maybe a small little push to the 4180s. It feels like it, dude. Gosh. Yeah, some days we have it, some days we don't. Some days we have it, some days we don't. We have $2,000 left to draw down, family. $2,000 left to draw down. Not out of the we're not done. We're gonna make this happen. We just gotta be patient. Nazi is Chop City, so is gold. So is gold, Queen. So right now I'm just kind of watching. NASDAQ finding higher prints, but slowly just stretching up. Extreme of Kings and Queens. Absolutely, Abby. The royalty. We're all royalty here. Oh, gold. She's chopping. She's just chopping right now. Just straight choppy chopperton right now. And since you realize as it gets, I see you winning them over. Hey, Poppy, I appreciate it, King. I appreciate it, King. Appreciate you being here every day. You got them new prop firm accounts, Ty, already, or are you waiting until you get max payouts on these accounts? I haven't gotten any new props yet, work. I'm gonna let these play out, see what happens with these. I'm gonna get that max payout. I love the energy and the confidence and support, King. But yeah, that's our play. We're gonna try to get a play with these one more time. It's our last final attempt with 5 accounts on Topstep, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and copy with some other prop firms if that's what we can do. But why is gold looking like it's gonna start selling now? Gosh, she's moving ugly. Ugly. Oh, you're moving so ugly. Ugly. We would have been back in our position there. Gold down again. Damn, I know, Danny. It's just bullying us. It's just, that's what it is. Yo, I don't know how many likes we have, family, but there's 40 amazing people watching. If you have not yet, let's go. Put that thumbs up. Easiest way to support the stream. Easiest way to support the stream. Let me know that I'm not losing my mind for getting top ticked on gold today. Like, I am donating to gold today. Okay, that's cool. It's all you. I didn't want it anyway. It's yours. Take it, gold. Oh, you thought I wanted it? No. It's yours. It's yours. I didn't want that money. It's yours. Top tick me. Account lock. 7 winning days. Matrix. Let's go, baby. That's how you find consistency, family. Let's go. W Matrix. 7 winning days is a payout, baby. I feel like gold moves during NY times. It seems to move better at like 3 a.m. or 2 a.m. You're not wrong, Pobby. Although I will say, if you look at this at 3 a.m., 3 a.m., we had a 15-point range, dude, for the next 5 hours. We sat in a 15-point range. So, yeah, no, I'm not into that. And then at 8:30, the fun started. And at 9:30, it really started. So, iffy. I want to short gold again. Is it just me being impulsive or what? Short 2 at the 79s. Let's go, Sauce. I like that. I don't mind that at all, actually. Sweep of the high. So we had a nice push up here to the highs. NASDAQ found some rejection into the 50s, 40s. Pushed up to the highs again. Found some more rejection back within the high. Now he's shorting this previous top. I like that entry, Sauce. See what happens there. W matrix absolutely work. Way to show love. It just depends, but most of my money comes from early in the mornings. Most of the money comes from the early mornings. Yeah. So those London or Asia session traders interested in gold. Come on, Nazzy. Find some selling. Big blacks, no wicks. Get down into these 28s for that man. Sauce is looking for some shorts on NQ right now. Excuse me. For real, though, I appreciate you guys for spending your morning here. Best community there is, and it wouldn't be possible without you guys. So, for real, thank you so much. Really want to see this EMA respect for the sellers. Find some more defense at this previous high here if we want to push back in towards these 30s. I keep yawning. Excuse me. Yo, I passed my eval now. I'm close to my first fucking payout. Lathe! Congrats, King. That's huge. Let's go. Slow and steady, man. Patience. You've already done everything you need to do to get there. Just keep doing more of that, and you're going to get across the line, man. Huge. All right, Kings. I'm going to head back to sleep a bit. Got to head down to the office in an hour. Get some rest, Matrix. Appreciate you for being here, King. Thanks for spending the morning, man. Get some rest. Have a good day at work. Have a good day at work, sir. Wanting to see this EMA continue to respect for the sellers like they are right now to push back in towards these 28s, 30s. I've yawned like 8 times. Might have to call it a couple minutes early today, family. Gold pushing up in towards this trend line again. Gross price action on gold today. Really it is. I can't trade it. I don't know how to trade that. TP is the 835s. Very safe exit. I like that, Sauce. That's clean. I think that's going to deliver. Way to front run that exit. Front running this previous bottom is pretty smart there. Excuse me. Get down there to those 35s. One more big black, no wick. Get down in there. Chop. Yeah, Pobby. We're just going sideways. Kind of on both markets right now. A lot of the fun already happened. We got the sell-off at the early part. Went sideways. Couldn't get the short to continue up here. And now NASDAQ found some buying pressure up through the VWAP. It's going to see what happens when we test back with it again. I'll wait for a retrace on the NQ at this 25,769s. That's quite a retrace. I'm looking for the 85. I'm actually, if I was really looking for it, it'd be back towards the VWAP, like the 800 hole number. But we'll see what happens with Miguel. Let's see if we get an opportunity there. I like it, though. Way to be patient and not force trades and let price come to you. I wish that everyone in this stream who even has not hit their first payout will hit it this time. Let's go, Abby. Way to show vibes. Way to send love to the people. I hope the same. Let's go, Lath. Talking to you, King. I'm going to get that paycheck. I'm going to get some sleep as well. I got 8 assignments due. School is kicking my ass. You got this, Pobby. Get some rest, King. Hit the books. Not fun to do, but you got to do it. Appreciate you for being here, man. Will Nash drop to the WAP? It'd be nice. Well, 800 whole number, Danny. I'd like it. It could also, though, find a lot of support at these 20s. So 25, 30. So see what happens there. But I wouldn't mind it. Would not mind it, sir. How much does YouTube make you? Not much at all right now, Julian. I think we just got monetized for the 1,000 subs. We just started getting to the spot where now we're getting paid for 1,000 views, but we're not getting that many views, and I haven't really checked the dashboard, so I don't know yet. But I know it's not the most right now. But hey, just fun to be here, fun to have a community doing this thing every day. But after the stream, got you, Pobby. You're the man, King. You is the man, brother. Wow. NQ finding some support at these 45s. Gross. Immediately pushing back up into the 70s here. Tough to see that. Oh my goodness. Tough to see that. No, drop. Ugh, I know, Danny. Finding some support at those 40s for no reason. Pushing back into the EMA now. It feels like I'm wasting my 20s. With school? I don't think so, King. I don't think so at all, Pobby. You're getting education. You have the opportunity to trade. So not only are you getting more educated, you're giving yourself a potential future there, or at least connections, and you're building up a skill set that could change your future forever. So I think you're doing everything you should be in your 20s, King. Don't compare yourself to other people. You're doing great. I just want to make it, and you will, King. We all will, baby. No worries. Take some time, but we're on the way. Massive respected at NQ fair value gap for market open reversal. Don't short it. I'm in long on my XFA right now. Expected fair value gap for the market open reversal. Don't short it. I'm in a long on my XFA right now. I like that long, Julian. I really do, King. I think we're going to keep printing the higher prices. Maybe 26,000 whole number today. Something like that. I think we're going to keep finding higher. I does. I does. Gold is finding some support here. Slow and steady, Pablo. Let's go, Max. Absolutely, King. Way to show love. Education is never a waste, King. Absolutely, Lauren. Never. Is it Lauren or Laura? I think it's Laura. Laura Neck or Laura. Yeah, it's Laura. Sorry, I said Lauren. Welcome in, Laura. Education is never a waste, Pobby. It already filled the 200 pip overnight over weekend gap from 3 weeks ago, so it has no reason to sell further. The only selling that is still open in NQ is this hourly gap down here, though. So if you check this out, we tapped into it with today's pressure, tapped into the 644s, but to close it, you got to come back down to like the 570. So technically, there's still a gap open, Julian. It's already filled. Not quite, right? Look a lot to the left on the 5-min. This is the 1 hour. It's filled. All right. Topstep just sucks, huh? Topstep just sucks, huh? Because Topstep did not look filled. Have you guys ever seen Stranger Things S5 trailer, season 5 trailer? I have not yet. Imagine it really pushes to 4180s on gold from this price. Yeah, Max, that'd be insane. That would actually be wild, my guy. Look at this hourly print as well on the NASDAQ. Very strong. I'd be looking for pullbacks in around these 14s or so. 18 even could be a nice play. Stop loss is break even though, so I'm chilling. Let's go, Julian. Nice trade management, King. Absolutely risk-free at this point. I'm 35, no college education, no trade, skill, plumbing, electrical, etc. I wish I had done something in my early 20s. You're in a good spot, Pablo. Great advice. Great advice, Sob. Hear that. You're in a great position, King. Can't wait for the new season. Let's go, Danny. Season 5. Stop loss is break even. Like, I don't know. I feel lost sometimes. Not alone, Bobby. You're not alone, King. It took a long time for me to even feel like I was working a lot. I was working like 6-7 days a week for a long time. And in that mess, it felt weird. It felt 50-50. Like, it felt like I was helping my future, but also like I was wasting my life. So now I have purpose a little bit more. My picture's painted clearer. I know what I wake up for. And that's helped a lot. So, and you do too, Bobby. Wake up. You're trying to free the family, King. It takes one day at a time, and it takes effort every single day. It's not going to be obvious. The changes that you make today aren't always going to be, you're not going to see the effects tomorrow, but they're there. We're getting better every single day, slowly. Gold, just printing. Look at this, Maxi. Holy shit. Kind of wouldn't mind a VWAP attempt for a short, or is that just silly? A little VWAP short could be kind of spicy, maybe. Fuck it, I'm going to go for it. See if we get a fill. TP at the 949, Julian. I like it, King. You're starting to get the break now. See the 900 break for you. Break through this top of the high. You could be good. Set 35. You're still young, bro. Lock in. Trading takes 2 years. Let's go, Kevin. Sobs is a young man. 1% better every day. Absolutely, Corey. I love it. Just 1%, baby. I still feel lost to Pablo. Don't worry, bro. God will make a path for all of us. Exactly. Let's go, Maxi. Huge right there. Huge mindset. You're not alone in that, King. We all share it. We all just seek purpose. Deep breaths. We got this shit. Out of long, go long, and done for the day. Let's go, newbie. How'd you do today, Queen? Copy trading is a wonderful thing, LOL. Absolutely is. Nice long. I love it. Way to get paid. More than deserved. Everyone here is a legend. No doubt about it, Sobs. No doubt about it. The best community around. If y'all have not yet, subscribe and join this family. We're building up greatness here. Everybody is going to just go up together. I feel lost most of the time. Life is hard. It's the small moments you have to celebrate. Absolutely, Danny. Absolutely, Queen. Celebrate the small things. Be grateful for the opportunity to even exist. Hug somebody you love. We're doing it for them, guys. Most of the time when I feel lost, I step outside of myself. So I think our feeling lost is like I'm dictating a lot of my future thoughts all around my narrative, around my perspective. But when I include more people and I put my family, my friends, my loved ones in that picture, I get a lot more clarity on what I want to do on a day-to-day, and it helps me show up more. Gold pushing up, trying to maybe get a fill with the VWAP. I don't know. NASDAQ looking strong. Same here, guys. Not profitable yet, but still giving my 110% every day. During the day, I'm working in the work from home job that I have, and nights studying to be a data analyst. I'm 30 years old. Miguel, you're a young man, sir. Congratulations. I love the path. Working from home, trying to get better at trading. It's only a matter of time, King. If you're new, you got it. Profitability is just about consistency. Keep showing up, King, and we're going to get there. Control what you can and let everything else happen. That's it, baby. A wise man once said, be like water. Be like water. Let it go. Let it flow with it. I overthink too much, for example. What is the point of it all? It gets weird in this brain, LOL. Every day, Danny. If only you guys knew the conversations I have around existence and worldview and all of that. I'm an overthinker as well. But hey, it's a privilege as well, guys. We have the opportunity. We're having thoughts downloaded every day, and we're privileged to have it. So just smile, family. Just smile. Take life on. Don't take shit so serious. We're all here, hanging out, looking at screens, hitting red and green buttons. Come on now. Come on now. I'm thinking about moving to the Asia session as a primary. Seems more calm, but still can get some good movements. Thoughts? Daiquiri, I think if you have, I think it could work for you, King. I know a lot of people that have consistency in the thing. I think that's basically the biggest thing I can tell you, though, is if that's what you're going to do, King, show up at the same time of that Asia session. Start getting good at the time frame, and then from there you can actually start seeing like volume outliers and range outliers, and give yourself the best chance. It takes time, so don't expect it to work right away. If you lose a couple Asia sessions, keep hopping back on. But whatever you do, just keep doing it, King. I think it could work. But you just got to find consistency, right? Literally me, Danny. Exactly, Pobby. Like I talk to myself being like, get better, Pablo, because only you can help. Only you can help yourself, LOL. Same. Red or blue pill? Come on. Show me it. Show me the Matrix. Show me the Matrix. Yeah, I want to see it. Journaling helps me overthinking. I like that, Pat. Sometimes if I'm really overthinking, I'll just put my phone on record and I'll just talk. 10, 15 minutes, however much time you need, and just rant. Just let your brain process. Just let it get all that shit out. And then if you want, you can re-listen to it. You don't need to listen to it right away, but if you want to, you can. And then that just helps me get another perspective as well. Thankful for having a girlfriend who will work for us. JK, don't tell her I said that. Secret safe, King. Secret is safe with us. NASDAQ. There's a very beautiful single word for every overthinking and anxiety or even any stress, that is just let go. Let go, Abby. I love that, King. Just let go. Breathe. Be with the wind. Be like water. Express gratitude, guys. How fortunate we are just for this opportunity to wake up and trade. That's it, Pat. I love that shit. But seriously, love y'all. Love you too, Pobby. Let's go, baby. Very pure heart, guys, in the streams takes place. That's it, baby. Very pure hearts. Let's go. We have the best community around. In gold, not wanting to get up to the VWAP for us, you know, because why would it? Ty, make sure you show up tomorrow because I'm unable to trade tomorrow due to my rules. I'll be salivating and the price action is good and need to see someone catch it. I got you, Queen. I'll be here. I'll be here. I'm not missing. Monday through Friday, not missing. I'm going to be here with you guys. I have a Friday that does his analysis in Shanghai sessions and operates in NY. It seems to be working because he's doing awesome. That's why I like Miguel. That's what I'm saying. There's so many different strategies. Just finding something that you're consistently doing. That's the real key. Just don't change shit. And it's really easy because you'll take a loss or things go weird and you're like, fuck, I want to change this. I want to optimize this. I got to make some adaptations. But nah, breathe. Keep doing the same shit. It kind of feels weird, like you're beating your head against the wall. But keep showing up. Be consistent. Be aware so you can still adapt and like alter your strategy if you need to, like break evens and stuff. If you guys go back and watch, you guys can see it all real time. How I got better at the strategy I use with break evens and adding in, and it just takes time. And you lose a lot, and you win a little, and you win some more, and you lose a lot. And every single day we get better. All right, family. I think I'm gonna call it here today. NASDAQ's kind of ranging at the top here, just holding below the 900s. Bouncing in between the VWAP now, starting to find a little bit bigger selling. I guess actually, truthfully, we could probably find the long of the day around here. I'm going to put one or... no, I got to get out of here. I was going to put an order in. If y'all are watching this and you have more patience, maybe the 20s could be a really nice play to find a bounce for the long continuation to the upside for the day. I don't have the time right now. Okay, got to get out of here, but I think that could be a play. Man, I love this community. We can have these deep talks together. I love it too, Pobby. Have a good one, King. See you tomorrow. Let's go, Max. W stream, brother. Appreciate you for being here. Work. Peace, newbie. All right, family. Like I said, maybe finding a long opportunity here on NASDAQ. Gold's heading now. I'm going to close our orders so we don't have to get anything. Flatten all. I appreciate you guys so much for being here. Thanks for spending the morning. Thanks for showing the love and the deep chats, trying to just show support for each other like we do. Yeah, we're going to wrap it up today, family. Drink some sun, get some water, hug somebody you love, and just remember, don't take this shit so serious, right? We're so blessed. All right, Miguel, Danny, Sobs, Pobby, Newbie, Work, Max, Pob, let's go. Abby, Pat, Max, Daiquiri, I appreciate you guys so much. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.